what crimes can never be expunged from your record. This is Christina Williams with Just Criminal Law.
And David Mann, legal storytelling specialist. All right, so expungement. Does your office have a service that just helps people with this?
Yes, we have a complete system of expunging people's records for lots of reasons. Mainly, they want to restore their rights, and they want that record to be cleaned so they can get better jobs, they can have a gun, they can vote. So there's lots and lots of reasons that people want to expunge their record, and we have a whole process set up to help them do that.
I assume that felonies are mainly what they want expunged, right?
Well, we do get a lot of felonies that need to be cleared up. And so that statute, the statute that discusses which felony cases can be expunged and which cannot, is 713-1502. So that statute enumerates all of the felonies which are not expungible. And as you may imagine, those are going to be your sexual assault cases, your very serious crimes involving violence, your aggravated assaults. And then some crimes of dishonesty are not expungible. So that it's all enumerated by law, and someone can definitely look up that statute and see if their felony qualifies to be expunged.
Are there other reasons a person could not get their felony expunged?
Yes, so say they have multiple felonies. It's not going to do them any good to get that one felony expunged. Or say they've been in trouble since they were off of probation or parole with that felony, then that may disqualify them. And so we really look at it needs to be 10 years from the date you're off paper, that is, you're off parole or off of probation, before you can even petition to get an expungement. And then there's certain things that will disqualify, like if a firearm was involved, even if it is an expungible felony, then you wouldn't qualify under that scenario as well.
Okay, so with your experience, taking things all the way to trial, is it fair to say that you can sort of foresee at the beginning of the process when someone is arrested, which route to go that might end up in a felony or not a felony?
Well, what we look at is sometimes where it's a situation where someone is accused of a felony that is not expungible, and I know which ones are or are not expungible, but we can reach a plea deal. Maybe the prosecutor's not willing to do a misdemeanor and they have to plead to a felony. Well, a lot of times we'll ask that they plead to a different felony that I know is expungible. So I know that the person will eventually be able to get this conviction off of their record. So it is a strategy that we help people with after the fact, but we also try to prevent our clients from being convicted of those felonies that are not expungible if we can negotiate a plea deal to do that.
Okay, so if someone calls you and just wants to explore, can I get my felony expunged? That's where the process begins?
Yes, and we will charge a small fee to do some research and determine whether or not there's any disqualifiers there. And if they do, in fact, qualify to get the felony expunged, then we will set them up with the attorney and we'll file a petition with the court and try to get their record clean so they can get all those rights back.
All right, so that starts with a call to you, and how do they do that?
Sure, we'll include a link in the description where they can call, text, or chat with a member of our team anytime, day or night. Here at Just Criminal Law, we know you only get one shot at justice, so make yours count.